Good evening, everyone. Good morning, good night. I mean, as per your time zone. Uh, I'm Piyush. I'm solution engineer at Polygon. Yep, let's start the technical session. Before that, I will, uh, you know, let you through what and how we call it Ethereum's Internet of Blockchain to Polygon. So basically, we started in 2017 where our plasma solution was there. But eventually, we realized that we should go with the POS chain as well. And this was the present working mechanism, which even Zhangyan explained very well yesterday. So let me even walk you through. So basically, this is a block reducer layer, and then it used to Merkle root, and that is to checkpoint it to the Ethereum chain. And that's the present POS chain. And now we have lots of solution. One is Polygon POS, then which is the present working solution. Then recently we have acquired Hummus, which is a ZK-based solution, and they will be forming ZK EVM. That's been a good one. Then is Polygon Nightfall. Basically, it's an enterprise-grade blockchain solution. Then Polygon Avail, which is for data availability problem solving things there. Then we have Polygon SDK, which is under development. But yeah, some things will be sorting out soon. So you will be able to spin up your own chain with the Polygon SDK. Then recently, just yesterday, we have launched Polygon Midden, which is basically a snark-based solution. So yeah, I mean, that's just a starting of it. But yeah, a lot more to come. Yeah, I think that's what I would cover, and we can head on to workshop. So let's say if you are very new to blockchain or very new to Polygon, so I have prepared two bunch of slides for you. Like one is for anyone who is new to even blockchain, so they can walk. You can walk you through the blockchain part, how smart contracts are there, and by learning from Solidity by examples as well, and by Solidity read the docs. That's yeah. So this is the for I mean the hackers who are first time into development into blockchain specifically. So this is particular resource for you guys. Even we have a full graded video as well, which you can check it out. And let's start the show. Okay. So yeah, getting started. Okay. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to connect your MetaMask. So yeah, okay. So what do you have? Okay, just a second. Let me reduce that, move that. Yeah. So you have to come into your custom RPC into your MetaMask. Then you have to create a Matic testnet as per this. Like I have taken a custom RPC URL. You can take as per your thing because dedicated URL dedicated RPCs are very well good. That's why I've used to have one from Alchemy. You can have Matic Vigil or any other. It's your dependency. This is the Mumbai testnet Polygon scan, which is the Explorer. And I have some 5 Matic. So how you will get your Matic? So there you go. You have a faucet. What you can do, you can just paste your address. Like right now I have a huge, so it will say you can't get it. Okay, I'm not copied it. Hmm. Yeah. So then I will submit and it will say you're good to go. So now, let me walk you through how you can go with this IDE, which is Remix basically. It's basically Ethereum IDE. So all the contracts you can write in Ethereum with Solidity. You can copy that stuff and write it on Polygon. So let's see. Like right now, I want to deploy it with first Gorilla. So let me switch my network to Gorilla testnet. I should have some ETH. Yeah, I have. I'll deploy it. I just need to confirm, and it is taking time. So let's see. So this is basically a basic contract, I would say, where you can just loop your things. I have taken it from Solidity by example. You can even try it and run it on your own. Okay, it's deployed now. Let me switch same contract and run it with Mumbai testnet. So here we go. Again, MetaMask notification will pop up, and you can see it here as well. It's under contract development. And it's done. So you can see the time difference between Gorilla deployment and Mumbai testnet deployment. For I mean, if you are new to very much to Solidity, I will refer you to have a look on Solidity's newest versions, how Solidity works. You can learn with Solidity by examples. They have a good resource and even plenty much with the latest version. So check that out. Okay, now I will walk you through the docs. So this is the complete setup, how basically Remix is, what Remix is, how you can, do multiple things in Remix. So yeah, you can check that out. I have pinged each and everything into this slides, or you can say this material, and it's live. So I will be giving you links. And after that, even we will be doing a walkthrough. Just a second, why it's hanging. Okay. Yeah. So next is, I mean, one is Remix, which is mostly used in Solidity development and Ethereum. Same. Next we have Tuffle. So Tuffle deployment is quite different from Remix. If you are new to Tuffle, I will recommend to go through the docs of Tuffle and further. Yeah, so basically Tuffle you have to just install and just you have to remember these particular lines and you are good to go with Tuffle as well. So you just have to, have your, I mean, it's Matic because previously it was Matic network, so it's remain Matic right now as well. You just have to, have your RPC here, whichever you want to have. Then you have your network ID, which for Mumbai testnet is 80001, and other things are similar. But if you're doing it for Matic mainnet, then or Polygon mainnet, then you should come to Networks tab, and you got the RPCs for mainnet and chain ID is 137, which you can find at somewhere else as well. I'll walk you through later on. So further is using Hardart, which will even do, and I would like to do it with you guys. So let's see how it goes. So it is using Hardart. So basically, similar configuration which you have in Ethereum. You can just set it up on your local first, and you just have to have this particular thing, and everything is same. Just here, the default network they have mentioned is Matic. So yeah, and every other single thing is same. You just have to deploy it, whatever script you want to do, and it will deploy. We will even see this particular thing. Then I've already showed the networks tab. This is basically for different RPCs and stuffs, mapped tokens. So basically mapping is really important in Polygon ecosystem because we believe in the Ethereum ecosystem. And these are one of the, I would say, one of the highly used tokens out there. And you can map your contract as well, your token as well. So how basically mapping works, I will walk you through later. So this is the Matic gas token. I mean, if you want to work on Polygon, Matic is the only token from which you can pay your gas. So yeah, like you used to go in a gas station and put gas in your vehicle. Same like gas is there. Yeah, you can check that out as well. These are some Genesis token contracts, and if you want to go for the full node development on your own, so basically there are two layers and that kind of thing. I mean, that's a big detail thing, so I will not touch that part right now. There is a faucet which I've already shown you. This is faucet.polygon.technology. Then we have a gas station as well, where you can check what is the present gas and that stuff. Uh, then you can have multiple wallet support is available on Polygon. You can check that out as well. Now I will come walk you through how mapping is there. So right now we are following a POS bridge fashion, plasma fashion, and another is FX portal fashion. So one is POS bridge. So how basically POS bridge works. So proof of stake bridge, basically it is quite easier comparing with Plasma Bridge, because Plasma solution have a challenge period of 7 day, which is really hard to go. Even I will walk you through other things as well, so you'll got this stuff as well. You can check out how you can build these stuffs on your own. If you, let's say, if you want to build your own ERC20 bridge at your own, so there is a Matic.js library which you can follow and build it. Like this particular thing are available for complete Matic.js tutorials, like how for deposit. Basically, deposit is transferring your token from Ethereum to Polygon, and withdrawal is backing it to Ethereum chain. So yeah, this is the Matic library, Matic.js library, which you can check out. I'll give all the links, don't worry. Then similarly, Plasma Bridge used to work something like that. I'll touch wallet later. Yeah, then other way of mapping is FX portal. So basically FX portal, okay, let me even check the time. Yeah, so basically FX portal is a portal where you don't have to submit for mapping request. In case of Plasma or POS Bridge, you have to go for a mapper.matic.today. You have to submit your request. You have to wait for 72 hours at most for mapping your contracts. But in case of FX portal, what you can do, you have two contracts which are FX base root tunnel and FX child tunnel. In these two tunneling contracts, you have two other contracts which is for root chain and child chain. So basically, root chain we used to say it on Ethereum, and child chain we used to say it on Polygon. So these four contracts you have to deploy, and your mapping is complete. You can withdraw and deposit your funds in a very easy manner. Then there's, okay, I'll let you know further. So yeah, I have pinned all the documentation details here. There is another slide if you want to start with uh, configuring your own tuple environment. So there is a previous link which I put, so yeah, you can check that out. If you want to run your RPC on your own end, so you can check the connectivity of RPC. Then you, like, Web3 EtherJS and all the stuffs in Ethereum supports on Polygon, because Polygon is completely EVM compatible chain, and that's why developer loves it. So yeah, same thing I've already mentioned about MetaMask. Yes. So this is basically, let's say I will show you. There is a quick swap. Let me log out from here and switch to another network. So disconnect. I'll close this. I'll switch to Gorilla, and there is a switch. So this is presented by MetaMask itself, where you can switch your network, whatever you want. And here you go. You are connected with Mumbai testnet. Yep. Oh, it's on mainnet. Sorry. Quick swap is not on Mumbai testnet. So you can prepare your own this kind of button by this snippet of code. You'll get that later on. Okay. Now we will come on network agnostic transactions. So what does this mean? So basically, let's say if you want each and everything to be going seamlessly, you don't want to pay your gas even, because in Polygon, gas is pretty much, I mean, nil. So if, let's say, any provider wants to have a network agnostic feature so that their user doesn't need to pay for their gas, so what they can do, they can either follow two mechanisms. One is they can set up their own relay infrastructure. So basically, relay infrastructure is an infrastructure. Let me first walk you through. Okay, it's removed. Okay, it's here, I guess. Just a second. Yeah, that image is removed. Okay, so basically, relay infrastructure is an infrastructure which used to I mean, let's say I am a builder and there are some users. So as a builder, I will attach my keys or account to that particular relay infrastructure, and that will take Matic from my end and pay it for the users. So it will have just seamless experience for the users. They just have to sign in and they are good to go. Okay, so this particular demo, if you want to check it out, it is already available in the, okay, I'm sorry, just a sec. Yeah, in this particular GitHub, you can check it out. You can set up your own relayer and do your transaction, or rather, you can go it with the Biconomy version of meta transactions. Gasless transactions are really great with Biconomy. You just need to register your DApp. You just need to provide whatever, wherever this particular DApp is, and you can pay it for free. I mean, for the users, and it's free. Gasless is the power. Users just have to sign in their transactions and they are good to go. This is the particular snippet what I was trying to show you about how you can do approve and deposit. So basically, there are two positions of depositing your token from Ethereum to Polygon. First, you have to approve it. Then you have to deposit it to Polygon, and you will get your token. I'm sorry, it's time consuming. Yeah. So when it comes to withdrawal, in withdrawal case, we have a thing. First, we need to burn our token on Polygon, and then that token is, I mean, that particular proof of burn is submitted on Ethereum via this exit transaction. So this is done on Ethereum chain itself, and you are good to go. Your token is available on Ethereum. My bad again. Yeah, okay. I have walked you through these things. Okay, I will walk you through the Minter, which is basically built by community members. So what this Minter is completely, powered by Biconomy. So you just have to, submit your image, give it a title. I'm not sure if I have an image or not. Okay. Uh, yeah, I'll take this. I'll just write something, okay, and then I'll mint. Okay, yeah, here I'll got a confirmation. So I just have to sign in. I don't have to pay gas because it's powered by economy. So my metadata, which is this particular data, is stored on IPFS, and now, oh, I got it. It's minted. And you will be able to see it on OpenSea as well. It is taking some time. Eventually, it will happen. So this Minter follow the OpenSea metadata versions so that you can get it on OpenSea. There is another tool which is built by a community member itself, which have all the list of either it's DeFi, either it's NFT gaming, DAO, P2P, infrastructure related things, wallet supports, oracles. So yeah, I will even touch to oracles and some other stuffs. Okay, so basically, if you want more security, then you should go with Oracle. Most popular one is Chainlink. Future RAMs are the greatest thing ever. Like you can have crypto from your money onto any other, let's say, marketplace or something like that, like OpenSea or any other. Sorry. And then we have some indexing services like the Graph and Covalent are very much popular. And yeah, then I've shown you this. It's done. Okay, there is a Filecoin storage bridge with Polygon. So what if you are aware of Filecoin? So its possibility with Polygon, it's really insane, I would say, because storage is completely free, and you just have to follow it, install it, and you're good to go. However you want to go. Okay, so then there is a polygonrpc.com, which is built by a community member. So this particular RPC is basically aggregated to other RPCs. So it basically used to switch between different RPCs. Yeah, this particular Mexa SDK is used by Biconomy. So you want to check out, you can check it out. Yeah, this is the mapper which I was telling you about. Like you have to submit your mapping request and then you will be good to go. This is Matic.js library for all your deposit withdrawal and your particular, uh, I would say, bridge. Either it's ERC20 or 721 or 1155, you are good to go with this. Okay, let me walk you through our wallet as well. Then we will even start our demo because it's time taking. So basically, it's a mainnet wallet. Okay, I can't show you. I need to switch it to testnet. It doesn't have anything though. Okay, so this is our testnet wallet, walletdev.polygon.technology. You just have to connect it. Okay, it's the bridge. So this particular bridge, let's say if you want to bridge, have this particular bridge onto your website itself, then it comes to widget. So here you go. You can have this particular widget onto your website and have deposit withdrawal from your website itself. It's very easy and very user friendly. We even have some docs to follow on GitHub, I guess. Some examples are available. So yeah, you can check that out. Uh, okay. Okay, now the base, very good thing is coming. We will be using scatfold ETH session I mean, let's say if you're not aware of scatfold ETH, there are an amazing team, an amazing tool. Like they have around, see, 254 branches. So we will be using in this session the gasless Polygon OpenSea NFT. I will ping it in chat so you can follow with me. I think I'm giving it to everyone. Yeah, it's everyone. Okay. You can even check out Polygon Academy. It has many good tutorials there. Yeah, this is the Polygon Explorer, and this is for Mumbai Testnet Explorer. And now we are good to go for our development. Okay. So this is particularly our Scatfold ETH NFT marketplace, which is of course in Scatfold ETH. So here is some hard configuration which you have to do. Like if you can see, I have set it Mumbai, which I've already told. Like you can set it as a default network. If you want to switch it to mainnet, then there is Matic, I guess. I need to check. So yeah, these are the networks already present. Like if you see Mumbai, here you go. What I have done, I have taken another RPC from Matic Visual. It's a dedicated RPC. You can even have from networks of Polygon, and you can even have your own RPC from there. Yeah. So this is the basically harder configuration. If you want to go for mainnet, so this is the chain ID and your RPC. If you want to use this or any other, it's up to you. So this is the basic hard hat configuration. Even you have to export things and that stuff. So yeah, it's quite easy. Then there is a main thing, contract. So this is the particular contract which is taking files which is present already here when we will deploy it. So yeah, these are the artifacts which already exist. So let's say your collection name will be your collection and it will be available there. So yeah, I mean, let's start it. And if you are able to do with me, just ping me here on or on my Twitter. I'll give you a shout out there. So let's stop it like I was trying it before. So firstly, what you have to do, you have to install yarn. So you'll do that. I've already done and it's done. Then you have to see your yarn. Okay, I need to delete this because I already created an account. I'll delete my mnemonic. Yeah, from which you can generate your account. So now I'll do yarn generate. This will generate your account. Yeah, it's generated quite fast, right? Then we have an account from which we can see our account details, and I will take this account which is generated. Till that time, it will show you the details. Okay, I'll go to MetaMask. I'll slide some Matic to this particular account. Let's say one. Uh, Next, I'll confirm. Okay, it's processing. And if you see here, okay, it's under progress. We have not seen Matic yet. Before that, it should happen. Now we will see Mumbai, and it already have one fund. Just see how fast is this. Now, what you can do, you can deploy. This is basically Yarn chain, which will give you all the details, whatever in background is running. So yeah, it's generated. I will deploy it. Oh, nothing to compile because I've already done that. So I will do yarn start. Okay. I need to refresh or what? Okay, it's taking time. Yeah. So this is the particular section. This is my deployed contract address. This is my address. So I'll copy this address. And what I'll do, I'll go to Mint. I'll paste this address here. I'll save this. Then I will run yarn mint. Just simple. And we will see it here. Okay, nothing is there. Okay, it's the previous collection I have minted. So what all things are there? There is a deploy where we have a collection. So what we will do, we have already installed it. Okay, you were not able to see this as well. Okay, I'll delete the mnemonic as well. I'll show you the contract part first. So this is basic contract, which we have given already some 8 entities, or six entities, which have its own metadata, and it follows the OpenSea metadata standard. So it will be available on OpenSea as well. So this particular contract is ERC 721 contract. Its contract name is your collectible. Let me even go deeper now. Yeah, it is using counters and then token IDs. So it's just plus one token ID is there for each and every one. Just that counter is there. Nothing big. And there is a mint function who mints this token. Okay, and this is followed by hey, okay. Now there is a deploy.js which we have to deploy it before going to have all the things, because it has all the things for the all the networks and all the details of the networks and that stuff. Then mint script has all the details like the buffalo, it's an NFT, it has all its metadata. Then we have another like zebra and all that stuff. Then okay, what I miss, hard hat config. Okay, so this is the hard hat configuration. If you remember, I have mentioned you were able to set up any network. So I have set it up Mumbai by default here. Then uh, it has its mnemonic and it is taking from here, which I've deleted right now, which we have to generate again. And yeah, this is the Mumbai testnet. And I have taken a dedicated RPC, which you can even have by going to Networks tab and have your own RPC. Cool, right? Okay, let me remove this. It's quite annoying. Okay. Then you are good to go. Like if you want something for your mainnet as well, you can set up your RPC for mainnet as well. Now, we will deploy it again. We will do each and everything again. Yeah. So let's first generate your first install yarn in this particular repository. I think all the instructions are there. So if you guys are able to do it before me, that is quite good. Then yarn generate, which will generate your account. It's done. And you'll see there is a mnemonic and it has two accounts, but the new one is 0x08b. Okay, so I'll do now yarn account, which will um, lead to all the account details of yours, like all the networks, how many ETH, Matic, or any other network is there. So till that time, what I will do, I'll transfer some Matic to that particular account, and let's see. It's in the progress. We have Govin. Okay, it should done before Matic come. Oh my God, come before that. Yeah, done. So now I think next is Matic. Oh, it's early. Okay, you fixed I. Now it's Mumbai, and we got our one Matic there. Just see how fast it is. Okay, it's showing another network, other networks, and we are not interested. We have generated it. We have created an account. We have checked all the details of our account and even transferred some funds. Now what we'll be doing is yarn deploy because I have okay, my bad. I'll take from here yarn deploy. It's nothing to compile. There is because I've already deployed it. Yeah, it is available at this particular account. So at this, so what I'll do, I'll copy this. I'll go to my main script. And you have to specify your address here on which you want to mint your tokens. Oh, my bad. Save. Minimize this. We don't need this. Now we'll do yarn mint. Okay. That's really good if you're not able to see because we will have another things to cover on. So till that time I can cover what approve is doing, what is balance of. So from approve, you can directly just pass on your address, your token ID, and that is approved. So you can find your own balance from this particular function, from this particular account. Yeah, okay. We will be able to see it in transfers. The data is not available yet. It's taking time taking process. So yeah, is approve all you can do with all the operators and owner address with owner address. Then your name of collection, owner, safe transfer form. The another version is really important. Yeah, safe transfer form. So basically, this is the modern version of safe transfer form. In general way, what you used to do, you used to provide your address from you want to transfer, then to that address, it's token ID. That's it. But the new thing, which is I've kept it here. So this basically is like you can transfer your metadata to as well. So what you can do, okay, I'm exposing my mail, though it's not in working. Okay. So basically you can transfer your complete metadata in byte format and pass it to your save transfer form function, and it's really extensively used right now. I personally have seen a lot of people using it. And there are some other functions which you can check out. I mean, scaffold itself is really, really insane to explore. Then we have transfer from function from which we can transfer similar case. Is this okay? I think it's done. Yeah, it's done. We have minted it. We have it's IPFS CID for all the tokens. And let's see now. I think we have done it on another account, though it should visible. Mhm. Okay. Yeah. So I think I have done till 7 before. So now it is coming from 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. So 6 tokens are there only. So basically, what you can do, you can even try with transfer functionalities, though I have not enabled it yet. But yeah, there is a huge thing to explore in scaffold itself. Mhm. Okay, what we can cover? Yeah, even there is a subgraph used here, like it is for indexing purpose itself. So basically, for your NFTs, completely a subgraph is prepared, so you can further index it. It's a time consuming process. That's why it will directly index it for your ease. Uh-huh. Okay. Yeah, open zipling, I forgot to mention it. Like generally, if you see your contracts have some of the libraries from open zipling. So these are the standard libraries which we use in daily use, and it's for the more secured version of our functions. So yeah, you can use either, like if you are using ERC 721, you can follow this standard. Some counters, if you want to transfer ownership or have ownership, then in that case, you can have your own rebel.sol. And yeah, that's it, the demo. How many of you were able to do it? No one? Man, okay, we'll check out later. You can ping me in uh, Twitter. There is my Twitter account. And now I will walk you through how you can go for the mapping kind of thing, because that's a big process. That's why I've kept it for end. So basically, there is a root chain which we used to say either it's Gorilla or Ethereum. Then child chain we used to say for Mumbai or Polygon mainnet. So how it works, Gorilla and Mumbai are mapped. In that case, if you want to transfer it from Mumbai to Gorilla and back to Gorilla to Mumbai, then you can use that particular thing. And in case of mainnet to Polygon, or child chain, mainnet to child chain. We even used to say Ethereum as mainnet because we believe Ethereum to be the ultimate settlement layer out there. So yeah. So there are many standards available which you used to follow in case of POS bridge, which is not in restriction in FX portal. I'll let you know that as well. So basically, let's say if you want to have your ERC20, then what you have to do, what is mintable thing, what is non-mintable asset. So mintable assets and non-mintable assets is a huge in itself. But let me give you a broader view of that. Let's say if you want to mint tokens onto Polygon chain, then definitely you have to have mint function. If you don't want to mint, or let's say, then too you can have mintable function, but you can restrict it in some way or other. Then let me yeah. So in case of standard functions, standard child token. So child is basically for Mumbai or Polygon chain, right? So you have to follow these particular norms which we have specified. Like there should be a deposit function, there should be a withdrawal function, there should be a mint function. If it's you have to follow these particular norms in case of our standard token policy. So let's say if you want to have your custom tokens as well, even let's say if you want to, I mean that's a big word, if you want to deploy your own proxy, What does that mean? Now, proxy is itself a big word. So proxy contracts are more generally used for, secure things and stuffs, I would say. Yeah, even we have our own child chain manager proxy, which used to manage all the things onto our Polygon chain or Mumbai. It used to basically initiate the root chain, and generally what we let's say if I want to transfer or deposit my token from Ethereum to Polygon, then we have to approve it via the ERC20 predicate, which is already deployed. Just you have to give him some access that you can approve it. Then you can call deposit for function, which is on root chain manager, which used to manage the root chain, that is the Ethereum or Gorilla chain. Then we come to withdrawal functionality. So in Polygon Bridge, like it is built like that. You have to burn your token. Then only you have to submit that particular proof of burn onto Ethereum chain, and you'll get your token there. So it works like that. You have one-to-one peg token mechanism. Let's say it doesn't work like that. You have your token on Ethereum as well as on Polygon. So yeah, it even doesn't make sense. Let's say if you have your token, then you will not able to deploy. I mean, let's say you have your token ID 36 on Ethereum and same token ID you have minted on Polygon as well, but you will not able to withdraw and deposit these particular tokens. So these are similar entities, but on both chains. So generally, user doesn't provide these functionalities to go on with. Yeah. Okay. Then you can deposit and checkpoint event tracking. So you can checkpoint tracking by let's say whatever block. Let's say any transaction I've done, any transaction. Let me copy. Okay, it's on Gorilla. It's on Mumbai. I come to Mumbai, paste it there. It will show me that the transaction is done 38 minutes before. So let's say I'll go here. So it will have this block number. So you can check that this particular block number is checkpointed onto Ethereum. So what basically checkpointing is, I've already told that these whatever blocks are produced, it used to Merkle root and then checkpoint to Ethereum, or you can say it is snapshotted and then a Merkle root of that is stored onto Ethereum as a proof that these blocks were there. So yeah, we believe in the ultimate ecosystem of Ethereum. Uh-huh. What? Where was I? Okay, yep. Okay. So yeah, then the deposit events, you can even go with the deposit events. Yeah, these are the web sockets you can use. Web sockets like it are similar like that of RPCs, so you can use that. Even that's available in networks tab to go on with this particular thing. And okay, yeah, that's a quite high thing, so I will not touch on that. But yeah, you can check it out, how to query it, how to get the blocks, how to have your Infura API key to workflow it. You can use it as a RPC. Yeah, there are a lot to explore in blockchain, specifically in Polygon. Okay, where were we? Okay, this is done. This is done. Yeah. So if you want to have your full node set up as well, let's say if you want complete blockchain onto a specific as a archive node or the complete node, whatever you want. So you can set it up on a VM which should have this much of configuration. And let's say if you want to become a validator, like right now there are 100 validators in Polygon ecosystem. So yeah, you can set it up for your use. Let's say it's basically written in Ansible, and it's quite good to use and quite easy even because it's playbook, all the seeds are already mentioned. So yeah, you will be able to set up. But for the validator node, you should have the validator key, which is not available yet right now. Mm-hmm. Okay. Yeah, wallet widget. I'll even touch on that as well. So this is on, I think it's on mainnet because wallet.polygon.technology is for mainnet, and right now I'm on testnet, so it will not open it. I'll sign in, open. So what you can do, you just have to, just give your things whatever you want to have. Let's say I am just having a test widget, whatever tokens you will be supporting. I'll be supporting Matic, Ethereum, or any available. Let's say this one. I'm not sure what is this. Then Matic, definitely Matic token. Okay, I need to add support from here. My bad. Um, okay, I'll support Plasma, POS, and let's say all which I can add. So now I can just create it, and you can even see, okay, its name is invalid because it's already taken. I need to give something crazy. So let's create. It's created, and then you will be able to see how it will be working at your end. So yeah, this is quite good. You can just sign in with your MetaMask, and you will get all these token support for withdrawal and deposit, which you can integrate onto your website. Like for Vue and React, I guess it's already present a GitHub repo of examples which you can follow. Uh, yeah, let me even show you how this bridge works. But that will be easy for you. Okay, I don't have it here. Okay, I need to switch. Okay. Mhm. So one is already pending. I think I have to continue. I'll do it later. Okay. So let's say I want to bridge my one ETH to Polygon, so that will come as a ETH on Polygon. Okay, I'll continue. I have to be on Gorilla because I am doing deposit. Let's see, I have to be on Gorilla testnet. It works for just testnet. So yeah, I'll do continue, confirm. So yeah, it will take some time. You can view it on Etherscan. It's quite good. Mhm. And then you will be able to see after a few minutes that it's completed. And in this section, you will be able to see that particular transaction hash. So let's do some withdrawal as well. Let's say I want to do like I have 11 ETH, so I'll do zero point 0.1 because bridging it is time consuming because from Mumbai to Gurli it takes around 30 minutes to checkpoint. So yeah, now it will say you have to be on Okay, it will automatically switch. Yeah, this switch functionality is really great by MetaMask. So yeah, it's done, then withdrawal initiated, and then I have to submit the proof of burn after it's done. So it can take up to 45 minutes to 3 hours to checkpoint. And after that, what I have to do, I just have to be on Gorilla. I have to just confirm the proof of burn, and your fund will be on, you know, on Ethereum. So that's really insane things. There are huge things, huge products which community is building. So what you can build in this hackathon is quite crazy. Oh, I think it's not a hackathon; it's an education series. I'm not sure, guys. Okay, So
education series. Yeah.
right, right. Yo. Okay. So if you have any doubts or anything, I'm open to that. Rebuild
Awesome.
next.
I think there has been a few questions in the chat throughout. So would it be easiest for me to read them out for you to answer?
Yeah, yeah, that will be great. I mean, that I would want. Yeah.
Sure. So the first one, what was your journey in crypto like personally? And are you also 18 as the yesterday's speaker was?
Uh, yeah, I used to work with somewhat with Shangyang as well. Like
Nice.
I personally, like I recently completed my graduation in 2021 itself. Then, but I have started crypto journey past back, I would say in 2019. So yeah, that was a quite good things. Like even I have taken some
Yeah.
part in hackathons. So yeah, hackathons I would say are the good way for learning. I mean, building stuffs are a good way of learning.
Yeah, definitely. What we always encourage the universities that we're partnered with and the students in the blockchain clubs and the computer science clubs is just come along to educational events, get involved in hackathons, and there's so much need for good developers in the blockchain space that once if you do a one or 2 years of learning whilst you're at university, you'll pretty much walk into a job at the end, which is fantastic. Awesome.
Yep.
Next question: has Polygon got any NFT games?
A lot. I mean, NFT games, a lot. Okay, let me show you even. So yeah, I mean, we have a dedicated Polygon studio for NFT games who wants to build it. Like they have already on Web 2 and they want to come onto Web 3. So we have allocated a good fund there. And if like Atari is a Web 2 one, but they have shifted to Web 3. So that's a really good example, I would say. Neon District, Decentraland. I mean, you can just Avagochi, yeah, a huge one, I would say. Like even they have a I think Land Sold Part Two. I think today itself it's there. So yeah, you can check that out. You can have awesome Polygon. I will even ping you this particular thing so you can check out. I think I've already though. Let me ping it again. And for the beginners like who are really new to blockchain industry, so this particular article will be good enough, I would say. Any
Fantastic.
other questions and queries?
Yeah, sorry, I'll try and do one last one quickly before we hit the time limit.
Yeah, yeah.
There was a good one that I saw. What would you recommend building next if you're learning to build on Polygon?
What I will recommend, I mean, you have to, firstly, you have to do something hands on, like there is an NFT boom, there is DeFi boom, there is metaverse. You can have a combination of these three. I mean, that's up to you how you want to build. Like, I mean, I cannot come up with idea. There are insane idea with people. You can just have whatever you want to. Do not. I mean, I would say do not say it like it's not in market or it will be new or it's already in market. If you want to build, go for it.
Fantastic. I think that's a great note to end on. So yeah, get involved in the hackathons. Just start building what you think would be cool, and yeah, it's the best way to learn. So thank you very much, Piyush, for the fantastic session today. This will be recording will be posted tomorrow. It will go on the Encode Club Twitter and in the Discord that I've just put a link to in the chat. But yeah, thank you everyone. Have a great evening, Piyush, and good afternoon or evening wherever you are in the world, and see you all soon.